Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to hear the story Father's Help, written by R.K. Narayan, which is about a boy named Swaminathan who, in order to save himself from going to school on a Monday morning, makes an excuse of having a headache and even lies to his father about his teacher. All this lands him in a big trouble. So, one fine morning, Swami woke up and realized that it was Monday morning. It seemed to him that only one moment ago he attended the last period on Friday and already Monday was there. He hoped for an earthquake to come and reduce his school building into dust. He studied in Albert Mission School. Then he thought how so many students over the years must have prayed for the same, but the school stood strong. At 9 o'clock in the morning, Swaminathan cried in pain in front of his mother and told her that he had a terrible headache. The mother inquired Swami if he had any important lessons in the school that day, but he told his mother that the geography teacher had been teaching the same lesson for over a year, and the arithmetic teacher only beats the children throughout the time. Listening to Swami, his mother generously allowed him to stay at home and rest. And instead of being in the school prayer hall, he was lying comfortably on the bed in the mother's room. But Swaminathan's father was a very stubborn and strict person. He understood that Swami was making a lame excuse and told him to stop that nonsense and get ready for the school. Swami told his father that if he will go late to school, then his teacher Samuel will beat him very badly. He told his father that Samuel was very violent. Once, he made a boy to be on his knees for a whole period for coming late to the class and even beat him very badly. Father told Swami to tell the headmaster about his teacher's behavior. Then he told his father that even the headmaster was scared of him. He told him that Samuel continued hitting a boy until he saw blood on the boy's hand and asked him to put his hand on his forehead as a print. Swami hoped that his father would not force him to go to school after listening that. But his father took it as a challenge. He gave him a letter which had to be given to the headmaster, and it was complaining about teacher Samuel and had all the description of incidents that Swami told. He asked him to bring acknowledgement too. Swami thought that he was the worst false witness on earth. He felt very bad. He was not at all sure whatever he told his father was real or not. For a moment he thought about Samuel, that he was quite friendly and pleasant. However, he used to beat children with a stick to teach them. Swami started going to school. And at the time when he was thinking, he felt like running back home and begging his father to take the letter back. But he knew his father was very stubborn and won't listen to him. As he approached the yellow school building, he became more and more nervous. The more he thought about Samuel, the more he cried in his heart. He decided to deliver the letter by the end of the day and do something to justify all that was written in the letter. With heavy heart, Swami stood at the entrance of his class. Samuel was teaching arithmetic. He asked Swami the reason for coming half an hour late. Swami told him that he was having a headache and he prayed to God that Samuel should beat him for coming late. But listening Swami, Samuel did not say a word. Swami told him that his father insisted him to go to school and not to miss the classes, to which Samuel said that his father was quite a sensible man and he asked him to go to his seat. In that period, notebooks were being checked. Samuel put aside the bad notebooks and did not punish any student badly. He did not even say a single word to Swami for not doing homework, as Swami was having headache. During the whole time, Swami thought of doing something or the other in order to provoke Samuel. Then, in the last period also, Samuel came there in the class to teach history. Again, Swami started thinking of something to do to provoke him. Samuel was teaching about Vasco da Gama's arrival to India. Suddenly, Swami shouted at the top of his voice, "Why did Columbus came to India, sir?" Swami started arguing with Samuel after that. The teacher asked him to speak softly and to sit down. When his classmate Sankar asked a question, Swami again intervened at the top of his voice. When Samuel asked a question from some other child, Swami shouted and gave answer without being asked. Swami repeated this a number of times till the teacher got irritated. He caned Swami 3 times, which made him very happy, as he was successful in whatever he wanted to do. Finally, the bell rang, and Swami ran and took the letter to the headmaster. The peon informed him that the headmaster was out in the afternoon and then he would return after a week only. He also told him to give the letter to the assistant headmaster. When Swami asked the name of assistant headmaster, peon told that it was none other than Samuel. Listening to this, Swami ran from the place and informed his father about everything. And he said that he would give the letter when the headmaster would return. But his father did not believe a single word which Swami said. He called Swami a coward and said that he knew that Swami would never give the letter. Despite Swami promising his father to deliver the letter to the headmaster, father got angry. He snatched the letter from Swami's hands, torn it into pieces and threw it into the dustbin. And in the end, Swami was very much relaxed and relieved. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.